Hello everyone. So today, you know what you're doing, right? There is a quiz on the different aspects of language, and it is very important. Let's be honest, this is so crucial right now. It is part of the SDG Club 4, which is quality education, critical thinking, creativity, and media literacy. So quizzes like this, they will help you understand the world better. Language is a very important part of our lives, right? So that is why I think we should get. The first question is, which language family does Sinhala belong to? The first option is A. Dravidian, B. Indo-Aryan, C. Semitic, D. Sino-Tibetan. So team A, this question goes to you. Discuss it amongst yourselves. What do you think the answer might be? Other teams, you may discuss it among yourselves, but make sure that the answer does not get out. I see that there is a lot of discussion going on. A. Dravidian, B. Indo-Aryan, C. Semitic, and D. Sino-Tibetan. So, do we have an answer yet? Or we're gonna move on? Okay.
What be Indo-Aryan?
Are you completely sure? I'm just giving you a chance to be completely sure. Lock किया जाए? So the answer is B. Indo-Aryan. That's amazing. 1 point for team A. Now, let's move on to the second question, which goes to team B. Tamil, spoken in both India and Sri Lanka, belongs to which language group? So we're talking about Tamil as a language. The first is A. Dravidian, B. Indo-European, C. Germanic, and D. Turkic. Dravidian, Indo-European, Germanic, Turkic. Tamil is the language that we're talking about here, and note that in the question it talks about how it is spoken in both India and Sri Lanka. So piece that information together, come up with an answer. Other teams, let's keep the murmurs to a minimum. Do we have an answer? A. Okay. So team B says that the answer is A. Dravidian. Let's see if that's correct or not. That's amazing. So 1 point for team B as well. Now, the question goes to team C. During British rule, English became a major language and in Sri Lanka and India, mainly because you have 4 options. A. It was the native language of locals. B. It was used for administration and education. C. It replaced Sanskrit completely. D. It was imposed only in rural areas. So this is a bit of a long question, but I think this is something that you can get immediately. B. Okay. So team C has said that the option that they like to choose is B. Let's see if it's correct or not. That is the correct option. So 1 more point for the teams. Here all of the teams are performing really well. This is the time for team D to shine. Which Indian language most influenced Sinhala vocabulary in early periods? Indian language influencing Sinhala vocabulary. A. Sanskrit, B. Punjabi, C. Marathi, and D. Bengali. Which Indian language most influenced Sinhala vocabulary in early periods? You can discuss the answer amongst yourselves and piece together the information through the question. So if you look deeply, you'll find it. Okay? I see that the other teams are really excited for the answer as well. B. Are you completely sure?
Yes.
Okay. B. Marathi. Oh, the answer was A. It's alright, it's completely alright. I think we still have some more questions, and team D can try again in the next try. With that, the question goes on back to team A. So 3 teams are at 1 point each. Now let's see which team will take the lead in this round. So the question that we have here is, what is one common English word borrowed from Indian languages? A. Jungle, B. Table, C. Window, and D. Clock. So the question is, common English word borrowed from Indian languages. Do we have an answer yet, team A? Yes, for team A. And With a great beginning to the second round, let's move on to Team B. Which Sri Lankan language borrowed many English words like bus, school and doctor? The first option is Sinhala. Second, Tamil. C is both ancient Indian language, influenced both Sinhala and many North Indian languages. Which ancient Indian language influenced both Sinhala and many North Indian languages? A. Pali, B. Greek, C. Latin, D. Persian. Pali, Greek, Latin and Persian. I see that you guys are discussing it amongst yourselves. Let's see if it is correct or not. That is the correct answer. So both Team A and Team C are at 2 points each, and I'm pretty sure that Team B will, come back in this round. What was the main reason? The main reason English remained important after independence in both India and Sri Lanka. A. First, I'll complete the options and then you'll give me your answer, okay? It was used for international communication and education. B. People refused to learn local languages. C. It was the only written language. D. It had no practical use. A. Okay, so I think the answer is already written here, which is why it's a little bit of an issue. But are you sure this was your answer even if?
Yes.
Okay. We'll give you half a point for this because we'll give you the benefit of the doubt. The answer is in fact A. So, as of right now, before the beginning of the third round, Team A is at 2 points, Team C is at 2 points, Team B is at 1 point and Team D is at 0.5 points through a technicality. Now, the third round begins with a question to Team A. Which of these languages has the oldest literary tradition among the 3 regions? A. English, B. Sinhala, C. Tamil and D. Hindi. English, Sinhala, Tamil or Hindi? C. Tamil. Is that the answer you want to put? Okay. The answer is correct. C. Tamil. C. Tamil. So I think the quiz went really well, and we have Team A at 4 points, Team C at 3 points and Team B at 1 point and Team D at 0.5. So that was a very great quiz.